Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I'll show you how to insert the SD card into this device. Now the model that I have right over here is the Wi-Fi only. It's not the LTE, so that's why I'm going to be inserting only the SD card. But there's also a LTE model which will take SIM card. So let's pop out the tray, which will be located on the same side where we have the buttons. So you want to push it in, the tray will pop out, and from here, once you take it out, you should have space for SD card on one side, as you can see right here. So you just place it like this, and then if you have the LTE model, if you flip it over, as you can see, there's a little blackout thingy thing here. So normally that would be empty, and you could just simply place your SIM card on here, and it should work. So anyway, once you have placed those on here, you want to insert it back into the device. There we go. And from here, see, there's the SD card. So it's already working. And that is basically how you'd insert it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.